Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class. This is Max class. Let us do some mental sums. Students, find the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3. Time starts now. The multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Second sum, find the multiplicative inverse of 7. The multiplicative inverse of 7 is 1 by 7. Third sum, find the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3. Students, have you found the answer? The multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3 is 3 by 4. In the last class, we learnt division of fractions. Today, we are going to learn the statement problems. Statement problems on multiplication of fractions. Example 1. The tailor used 1 by 2 meter cloth to stitch a shirt. How much cloth does he need to stitch 5 shirts? Let's read one more time for better understanding. The tailor used 1 by 2 meter cloth to stitch a shirt. How much cloth does he need to stitch 5 shirts? How much cloth used to stitch one shirt? Yes, he used 1 by 2 meter cloth to stitch a shirt. Here, A represent one shirt. We have to find the total meters of cloth to stitch 5 shirts. Here, we have to do the multiplication to find the total meters of cloth to stitch 5 shirts. Let's write fraction of cloth used for one shirt is equal to 1 by 2 meter. Fraction of cloth for 5 shirts. For finding fraction of cloth used for 5 shirts, we have to multiply the number 1 by 2 by 5. That is 1 by 2 multiply 5. What type of fraction is this? Yes, it is mixed fraction. So, we have to convert into improper fraction. Multiply 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Then multiply by 5. 5 as a whole number. So, write 5 in fraction form. That is 5 by 1. Then we can multiply the number 3 by 2 by 5. Here there is no common factor. Then multiply the numerator and then multiply the denominator. That is 3 into 5 by 2 into 1. 3 5s are 15 by 2 ones are 2. Here 15 by 2 is in improper fraction. So we have to convert into mixed fraction. Let's convert. Divide 15 by 2. 2 sevens are 14. Then subtract 14 from 15. We get 1. Let's write in mixed fraction form. That is quotient remainder by divisor. Quotient is 7, remainder is 1, divisor is 2. That is 7 1 by 2 meter. Answer is fraction of cloth used for 5 shirts is equal to 7 1 by 2 meter. Example 2. 3 by 4 cups of cocoa is needed to make a chocolate bar. If Rohan wants to make 16 chocolates, how many cups of cocoa are required? Let's read one more time for better understanding. 3 by 4 cups of cocoa is needed to make a chocolate bar. If Rohan wants to make 16 chocolate, how many cups of cocoa are required? How many cups of cocoa needed to make one chocolate? Yes, 3 by 4 cups of cocoa needed to make one chocolate. Here we have to find the number of cups of cocoa required to make 16 chocolates. So we have to do multiplication. Let's write fraction of cocoa for one chocolate is equal to 3 by 4 cups. Then fraction of cocoa for 16 chocolates is equal to multiply the fraction of cocoa for 1 chocolates by 16, that is 3 by 4 into 16. Find the common factors of 4 and 16, that is 4. Let's cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Now we get the numbers in the numerator 3 into 4. In denominator, that is 1. Multiply the numerator. 3 fours are 12 by 1. That is 12. We get the answer is number of cups of cocoa are required to make 16 chocolates is equal to 12. Statement problems on division of fractions. Example 3. Shilpa has bought 3 kg of dry fruits. She wants to pack them in gift packs of 1 by 4 kg each. How many gift packs will she be able to make? Let's read one more time. Shilpa has bought 3 kg of dry fruits. How many kg of dry fruits did she buy? Yes, Shilpa bought 3 kg of dry fruits. How many kg of dry fruits did she pack in one gift pack? Yes, she packs 1 by 4 kg of dry fruits. Here we have to find the number of gift packs she was able to make. So we have to do division to find the number of gift packs she was able to make. Let's write fraction of dry fruits she bought is equal to 3 kilograms. Fraction of dry fruits in one gift pack is equal to 1 by 4 kilograms. Next we have to find number of gift packs she was able to make. We have to divide the fraction of dry fruits she bought by fraction of dry fruits in one gift pack. Let's write 3 divided 1 by 4. Write 3 in fraction form, that is 3 by 1. First fraction do not change. Then convert the division into multiply sign. Then we have to write the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 4, that is 4 by 1. Next, is there any common factors in between the denominator and numerator? No. Let's multiply the numerator, that is 3 4s are 12. In denominator 1 1 is 1. 12 by 1. We get the answer is 12. Answer is Shilpa can make 12 gift packs. Students, hope you have understood the topic. Do the given assignment. Thank you, students.